Welcome everyone, today I'll be showing you everything I've crocheted in the past 2 months. Since it's been about 2 months since I released my first ever video where I showed you everything I've ever crocheted, I thought I would do a little update on what I made in the past 2 months. And make sure to stick around to the end of this video because at the end I will be giving away this bag as a thank you for hitting almost 600 subscribers already. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. I've been quite busy over the past 2 months. I did go on vacation and I took some yarn on vacation, obviously. So I made quite a few things there, and I've just made a few things for tutorials and everything in general. So I'll be going through everything. Hi guys, it's Editing Lara here. Before we get into this video, I do apologize. The audio is going to be a little bit shitty because my microphone's been having some issues. It keeps cutting out and there's nothing I can really do about it. I only just found out. So I'm gonna get it checked out and I'm gonna fix it before my next video, but for now sadly there's not much I can do about it, so I'm still gonna upload this video. But I suggest turning on your subtitles. I hope it will still pick up the words and everything because it is still audible. It's just annoying because it keeps switching quality, but yeah, I will definitely get it fixed and I do apologize, but I hope you still enjoy the video. Okay, first up I made 3 tops. This is my favorite, I think. I absolutely love this one. I do actually wear this one all the time, mostly inside because I don't really have anywhere to wear it. But it uses the same back that I used in the first top that I showed in my previous video, the brown one. I just made it a bit more exciting with colors and I just love this one. I think color-wise this is absolutely my favorite, and so many of you guys have been asking for a tutorial on this top, so I will definitely be making one. I'm actually already working on one, so definitely stay tuned for that. The next top that I made is this blue one. It's inspired by Delft's Blauw, which is kind of a Dutch pottery style. It uses blue, like different tones of blue and white, and I just love the color combination. I made this one while I was on vacation in Croatia, and I just love the way it came out. Again, I make all of these patterns myself. I had no pattern for this. I just went for it and used the techniques that I already knew, and yeah, I'm very happy with how it came out. I don't wear this one very often, but I did make a matching bag for this one. Since I was still on vacation, I had plenty of yarn left, and I just thought, you know, why not spice it up a little, make it like a full outfit. I've also posted this full outfit. I have a skirt with it too, but that one's not crocheted. I've got your YouTube shorts in which you can see me use the full outfit. But yeah, I definitely love the colors of this one and just the pattern. It's just really nice. But yeah, it's almost the same idea as the previous top I showed you, except this one has stitch on top and not the ruffles. But if you guys want, I could definitely make a tutorial on this one as well. And for the bag, I just used the bag pattern that I always use, so it's 2 separate sides and then you make a strap all around it and then you sew those together. But I wanted to make the strap a bit more interesting, so I did this. It took me ages, but I'm very happy with how it came out. It looks very nice, just a little bit flimsy, so I think I might try looking for a way to stiffen this a bit more so that I can actually use it. Then the last top, but definitely not the least, this one's made with real wool and it's so nice and soft. It's also a little bit itchy, but totally worth it. It's basically the first top that I made, but inverted colors and a bit of a different color green. I just love the gradient that's like already in the wool. So I did try and kind of make them match up, as you can see. They're not identical, but I think that also gives a little bit of handmade charm. And again, with the same straps and on the back. And yeah, I just love this one so much. Next up, I made this flower necklace. You can just wear it like this and then tie it. I absolutely love this. It is so cute. I love to wear it with the first top as well. Also wearing that exact outfit in a few of my shorts. But yeah, this is such a nice like small statement piece to wear. You can just wear it with anything. I love it, and I definitely want to wear this like with a fancy dress sometime, or with one of my crochet dresses even, just to spice it up a little. I made a bigger rose as well, but this one is not attached yet, so I have to find a way to like attach it to a stick and maybe give it some leaves so I can turn it into an actual rose and I can put it in a little vase in my room, because then I'll be matching. Next up, you've already seen this probably in my previous video. I made a tutorial on the lemon/orange squares. I also put a little tutorial for the bag. If you guys want a bit more of an in-depth tutorial of how to sew the squares together, I can definitely do that for you guys. But yeah, I love this bag. It did come out a bit smaller than I wanted, but yeah, it's so cute. It's very functional as well, and it's very sturdy. Like it definitely holds its shape. I just love like the summer colors, and it's just so vibrant, and yeah, this is one of my favorite pieces I have ever made. And of course I had to make a bunch of these squares. I have a bunch left over as well because I made some extras just in case, because I wasn't sure what I wanted the to look like yet, but yeah, I've dropped a tutorial on these, so if you want to make these as well, don't forget to check that out. And then last but definitely not least, I've been working on a new project because I have quite a few pillows, but they're not that pretty. I had 2 emoji pillows, but they're not emojis anymore. I will insert a picture so you can still see what they looked like before. I started off with this one. I just thought, you know what, I should buy some nice new round pillows because these just don't fit my room. Like I use them to sleep, like I hold them in my sleep, but I just stuff them away in my room during the day because they just don't really fit the aesthetic of my room. And then I was like, wait, why should I buy new things if I can just repurpose the ones that I already have? So I crocheted a cover. I just freehanded it both sides, and then I tried to crochet and sew it together, and I think it came out really well. I'm very happy with this one. And then I thought, let's spice it up. So first I made the back, and then I made the front, and I'm obsessed. I freehanded this as well. I just went with it as I was crocheting. I did a lot of stitches that I also did in the blue top. I also did a whole round of tulip stitch just to make it a bit more 3D, and I love the way it came out. And yeah, you can still definitely see a bit of like the yellow through it, but I think that gives it a bit of character, you know. It's recycled, so we love that. And then there was one more eyesore in my room, and it was this one. I don't hate this. It still actually fits the aesthetic of my room. As you can see, the colors have faded. It has been washed so many times. I just knew that I had to give this one a new life because I sit against it all the time. So this one's really easy. You can just zip it off, so I can just use the inside of the pillow. And I've already crocheted the full front. This took me so long, but I just made a bunch of granny squares, and I made them matching in color with this pillow, but this took me so long to like make all the squares and then cut all the ends and then sew them together. So I think in hindsight, I didn't really need to cut up the ends because they'll be on the inside anyway, but it's already done. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for the back yet because I don't have enough of all of these colors. So first I was thinking of making just like one giant granny square to cover the whole back and then using the same colors, but I'm not sure if that would give me the look that I was looking for. Now I'm considering just making only green granny squares. I'll buy some new green yarn and making exactly this, but with like solid green squares, and then sewing that onto the back so that I can have a full pillow. That was everything I've crocheted over the past 2 months. It's been a very busy 2 months. I just want to thank all of you guys so much for the support that I've been getting, especially on my shorts. I just love seeing you guys' responses. It just makes me happy to interact with you guys. And at the moment that I'm filming this right now, I've almost hit 600 subscribers, so I just want to thank you guys so much, and because I'm so grateful, I would like to do a little giveaway. I made this bag a while ago, and I love it so much, but I really want to give it to one of you guys, since I already have plenty of crochet bags. It's just a small little shoulder bag with a row of tulip stitch, which I use in my tutorial as well, so if you want to make this, you can definitely check that out. But yeah, as a thank you for your support, I would like to give this to one of you guys. I think for now, because I'm still quite a small channel, I will only do the giveaway for people within Europe, but I would love to do another one very soon. If you do want to win this bag, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and like this video and leave a comment that you'd like to have this bag. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram and leave your Instagram name in the comments with your comment so that I can find your account if you've won. A winner will be picked randomly, so you all have a chance to win, just because I'm so grateful that you guys are all watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I really, really appreciate it. Thanks again for all my friends for letting me use their music in my videos. I've linked all of them down below. And I'll be uploading a new video every Sunday. If you don't want to miss any of those, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!